Hey there. In this video, we'll be showing you how to reply to a message in Messenger. Replying to a message is a great way to answer a question or respond to a specific message without confusion. So let's dive into the steps to reply to a message. Step 1. Download and open the Messenger app. If you haven't already, head over to the Play Store and search for Facebook Messenger. Tap on Install and wait for it to finish downloading and installing. Step 2. Sign into your account and tap on a chat where the message you want to reply to is located. Step 3. Locate the message you want to reply to and tap and hold on it. A menu will appear, and you'll need to tap on Reply. Step 4. Now, you can type your reply, and the message you send will be attached to the message you replied to. This is helpful when you want to answer a question or respond to a specific message without misunderstanding. And that's it. You've successfully replied to a message in Messenger. This feature is a great way to keep conversations organized and avoid confusion. By disabling the bubble feature, you can reduce distractions and increase your focus while using the app. You can still receive notifications and messages, but they won't appear as bubbles on your screen. In conclusion, replying to a message in Messenger is a simple process that can help you respond to specific messages without confusion. We hope you found this guide helpful. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.